Hello, in this tutorial I will show how quickly you can carry out CIBSE TM52 and TM59 summer overheating assessments in naturally ventilated buildings using DesignBuilder. CIBSE TM59 has a more prescriptive workflow than TM52, so I will use that methodology in this tutorial. During the tutorial I'll show you TM59 specific model data inputs, including weather files and activity profiles, how to set up and run an overheating assessment, and finally reviewing the simulation results. CIBSE TM59 is a standardized approach to predicting overheating risk for residential.
You can access the full tutorial from DesignBuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on DesignBuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate DesignBuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.